Hello everyone, my name is Casey and I'm with the City of Clarksville Communications team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use SeeClickFix, which is the program on our website that we use to track resident concerns, where you can report issues and track in real time those issues being resolved. So here I am on the City of Clarksville homepage, and as you see, we can scroll on down, check out the annual report while you're here. Transportation 2020 plan. We're going to keep scrolling down until we get to report a concern. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and click on report a concern, and that's going to take us to the SeeClickFix page on the website, and I'll include the URL here as well for this page. Now we're going to scroll on down, and you can use the website directly. You can also download the SeeClickFix app on the Apple Store or Google Store if you have an Android phone. But for now, we're just going to use the website. So we're going to launch the portal. All right, and now we're in SeeClickFix. So from here, we can select what our type of issue is, and it can be something from building and codes, parks and recreation, street department, forestry and facilities maintenance, or the Restoring Clarksville initiative. So we have lots of options here for what we can submit. In this case, I'm going to submit sidewalk issue. All right, now SeeClickFix pulls up a map. Looking at this map, we can scroll around and pick that way, or we can search for an address, which is what I'm going to do in this case. And we're going to use City Hall as an example. One public square. There we are. So now we're zoomed in on City Hall, and if we want to be really specific, we can move it around a little bit. Let's say the sidewalk issue is right here. We're going to confirm the location. And now we have the option if we would like to add photos of the issue that we're reporting. So for instance, if this was a sidewalk issue, I might take a photo and upload that just to let the street department know what exactly they're looking for when they go to report your issue. Needless to say, since this is an example, we don't have any photos, so we'll just move on. Now we can put in details of the issue. Again, this is just to give the street department all the info they need to fix the problem. So we're going to say, in this case, let's make sure the street department knows this isn't a real report. From there, we can say the type, that we need new sidewalks in this area or an existing sidewalk repair. Let's go with that. Sample for tutorial video. We can then put in a location for the issue of concern and the date that we noticed it. And it'll open up a nice handy calendar for you. Now we're going to confirm those details. From here, you can submit as yourself. You can also submit anonymously if you don't want to be contacted. That's perfectly fine. Or submit as a guest if you would prefer not to make an account. In this case, we're going to hide our identity. Or submit as a guest. Let's do that. So from here, we've requested that the issue be looked at. We get a request number if we'd like to look it up later. We get a summary, and we can come back and look at this, and the department will put comments here to say, oh, we've noticed the issue now, we're assessing it, and when it's finished, they can come here and put a comment to say that the issue has been resolved. So that's everything there is to know about SeeClickFix. I will include a link to the web page here in the description of this video. So again, thank you for tuning in. I'm Casey with the Communications Department, and this has been a tutorial for SeeClickFix.